Imagine yourself in this Toyota 2013 Tundra 2WD truck grade. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, AM/FM WCD player, CD player, MP3 decoder, air conditioning, front dual-zone AC, power steering and power windows. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.